Sees Michael Muntali trying. This is where now Fiona, so referee there making a call and giving a free kick and a yellow card. Agnes Nabokenya there had stepped up the engine to try and make that piercing run. So Michael Muntali just tried to pick out Fazila Ekwapot and Agnes Nabokenya, but Zaina Namoleme was called. No wonder the referee had to quickly reach out for her pockets and balls. And how do you take this one? Of course, you could see the ladies in green trying to ensure that they do erect a proper wall. How can the Ugandans elude such a green shrubby wall erected by the Lucy? Zaina Namoleme, can she ride for that one home inside? A goal for Uganda. The Crested Cranes will fly high here at the Nakivubo Stadium. They have really worked around the clock to see that they get something in this one. And what a way to announce themselves in these qualifiers. Oh, it was a punching ball. Just got the right spot and the goalkeeper tried, but it wasn't so much work. The player who's really been outstanding all throughout the entire afternoon, redeeming her name back again, making sure that that ball is perfectly placed into that back of the net, playing with experience, living off experience. Zaina Namoleme making sure that she makes Uganda proud again. And what a hit, what a strike there. Goalkeeper had no idea, neither was the defense that had erected a very towering wall. And all the fans in the stands will just savor the moment as Uganda do step forward, 1-0. And Anandede. Now the struggle is to keep the scoreline the way it is. Zaina, couple of touches sliding through there from the Ugandans. Fazila Ekwapot can puncture this ball again into the back of the net. And what a way Uganda have kind of made a response as things have slid away. Time, not the best of friends for Ethiopia, but Uganda will savor the moment and take the advantage. Chance after chance. They find the net with ease. Fazila Ekwapot puts the ball inside. Oh, what a way to treat final minutes here at the Hams Stadium in Nakivubo. Oh, Zaina Nandede did well, worked around that ball on the edges, put up the touch, got to touch again, slid it to Nabokenya, whose touch there clumsily just railed through the path of Fazila Ekwapot, who just had one option, being the striker that she is, found the back of the net with ease, and that gives Uganda the 2 goals as they wait to go into that second leg between them and the Ethiopians. But that is perfect advantage, but time is still the best of friends for them, and they can score even the 3rd